This is UTME prep class. We'll be looking at how to solve these UTME questions 2015, 1994, 1990, and 2003. All these questions are all in measuring instrument. Now, before we begin to solve, we need to know, let me clean up the board over there. We need to know that the vernier caliper and the micrometer screw gauge has a reading accuracy. So let me use here as meter rule. Let me use here as vernier caliper, micrometer screw gauge. Now, in meter rule, the reading accuracy in millimeter is 1 millimeter. For cm is 0.1 cm. Then for vernier caliper, the reading accuracy of vernier caliper in millimeter is 0.1, and the reading accuracy of vernier caliper in cm is 0.01. Then the reading accuracy of meter rule, micrometer screw gauge in millimeter is 0.01. I'm transferring this over here. And then in cm is 0.001. Now, you need to know the reading accuracy of the micro screw gauge in cm, in millimeter, and of all these vernier calipers in cm and in millimeters. So let's solve the first one. So we have here, we're going to be adding the main scale plus the vernier scale. Now, for the main scale, for this one, we have this is 0, 1, 2, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. So this is 4.0. And then we have the vernier scale. This is 10. The point of coincidence is here. The point where the vernier scale and the main scale meet together is called point of coincidence. So this is at this place, and it's 15. So we have 15. We're going to be multiplying it by the reading accuracy. The calibration here is in millimeters. You can see the answers in millimeters. The reading accuracy of micro screw gauge in millimeter is 0.01. So I have it there, 0.01. And then I'm going to multiply this. 15 times 0.01. So 15 times 0.01. That's going to give me 0.15. And 0.15 plus 4.0, that's going to give me 4.15, right? 4.15 millimeter. Is the answer there? All right, the answer is option D. So this is the correct answer now. Option D is correct. So this is the correct answer, option D. All right, so let's do the next one. Let's go to this one now. I lost my pen. Let's go to the next one. So for this one now, for this guy, we need to read the main scale. The main scale is, this is 2, this is 2.9, this is 2.8, 2.7. So the main scale is 2.8. 2.9, 2.8. You see that? 2.9, 2.8. So the vernier scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8. But we're going to multiply 8 by the reading accuracy. This is in cm and it's a vernier caliper. The cm there in vernier caliper is 0.01. So I'm putting 0.01. And when I multiply 8 by 0.01, 8 by 0.01, I'm going to be adding 0.08. So 0.08, let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. All right? And I'm adding it to 2.8. So plus 2.8 will give me 2.88. Is the answer there? Okay, let's do that again. Let's do that again. All right? I made a mistake here. So this is 2. 1.9, 1.8. So this is 1.8, not 2.8. Let's take that again. If this is 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, and then 3. But now we have 2. Going backward will be 2.9, no, sorry, will be 1.9, and then we have here will be 1.8. So going backward, this will be 1.8 because the main scale stops at this reading, will take 1.8. But the vernier scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. We're multiplying it by 0.01, and then we add. So 8 times by 0.01, we have 0.08 plus 1.8. So that's going to give me 1.88. Is that the answer there? All right, so this is the answer, 1.88. All right, let's get to the next one. This one is 1.88 cm. All right, so that's the answer over there. Now let's take for 1994 number 1. Over there we have, this is 1 cm. I've cleaned it off. 1 cm, and 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So the main scale here is 1.3. So we're adding to the vernier scale. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. The vernier scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where the main scale and the vernier scale meets together is called the point of coincidence. That is where you're going to take your point of coincidence from. So from here it is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have plus 9. I'm going to look for the reading accuracy in cm of vernier caliper. Over there is 0.01, 0.01. And then when you multiply 9 times 0.01, 9 times 0.01 is going to give me 0.09, and I'm adding 1.3 plus 1.3. That will give me 1.39. So I have it there to be 1.39 cm. So let's look at the option. The option is there, 1.39 cm. All right, so let's look at the last one. For the last one, we have over there to be, this is 1, and the calibration is given in cm. Look at the option. There is no calibration on these